Hi viewers, before I start the video I'd like to say that I intentionally made this slide to try and help out somebody in the USA that recently underwent a heart transplant, and he is the son of Donald in New Mexico, who many of you will see comment on the videos, and there will be more information down in the description, and how you can win it via auction will be at the end of the video. Anyway, let's get on. Or actually, before I touch this lovely shiny slide, I think I'm going to put some gloves on. I'll be right back. Right, let's crack on. Now, most of you know how these slides work, and they use special neodymium magnets. And let's try these 2 Morgan dollars down the slide. Let's try that one first, very slow, and that one very fast. So the first one is authentic. Anyway, the slides are designed really for testing 1 ounce silver rounds, bars, anything like that. Anyway, before I show you the actual slide, we'll take a look at the concealment. Now, Mrs. CCT and I tried to come up with a way that the concealment wouldn't be remotely obvious, which I think we managed to achieve. It wasn't very straightforward, and we didn't want it opening easy, so we used, or I used, magnets to do that as well, and a key to actually open it. Igor came up with the idea of using this bit of Zebrano as a contrast, and I machined up this brass ferrule, as you can see there. Anyway, how you get to the concealment is you actually use the magnets themselves to open it, and obviously you can put whatever you want in there. It doesn't have to be rounds and bars. It could easily be a watch, your gold, or even your jewellery, stashed in there nicely, see? Or of course you could put your paper currency in there if you really want to. Anyway, so let's take a closer look at the slide itself. Now, many hours have gone into making this, and I bought the veneer as Ebony, but I actually think it's something else. But the species is kind of irrelevant because I bought it for its beauty, nothing else. And as you can see, highly reflective. Yeah, its colour and grain, absolutely gorgeous piece of veneer. And as I say, literally you can just open it. The inside is all based, and the magnetic lock is incorporated at the top there. And simply take your key off and it's locked in place, and obviously the underneath is based as well. Anyway, so the design of this was based on my original slide that was hewn from a solid lump of mahogany, I don't know, 8 years ago now. And yeah, carving that out of a solid lump of mahogany was not easy, but anyway, it served its purpose and saved me many a fake over those 8 years. For those of you that didn't know, I have 2 stockists, Mr. Vegeta in the USA, where you can buy the folding versions of the slides. This is bamboo one, and there's the for those on a lower budget. This is the budget granite effect slide, which uses exactly the same magnets. Anyway, my Canadian stockist is Mike GPO. You can also buy them obviously in the UK on UK Silver Stackers. Anyway, so it's probably time we got into how the auction is going to work and about Donald himself. So I'm going to take a quick slurp and I'll be right back with you. Anyway, Donald, who recently underwent the heart transplant, was born with a heart defect, and what I'm going to do is in the description down below, if you click that little arrow that opens up the description, you can go to his GoFundMe page and read all about his story. Also in the description I will put a link to his brother's PayPal account. Now, for those of you that maybe don't need another slide because you've already got one, or you would just like to help support Donald, then obviously there's links in the description either via the GoFundMe or via PayPal where you can donate. But I hope you will make a bid on this slide, and I will ship it at my expense anywhere worldwide, and that will be one of my donations, obviously, as well as making a darn thing, which I think, I really don't know, but I spent at least 30 hours because it is literally, you know, all handmade, and it has to be, for it to operate properly, has to be accurate within fractions of a millimetre, or it doesn't all line up and work. You know, it is quite a job doing all by hand with without $1 million machinery. Anyway, so how the auction is going to work is, what I would like you to do is put a comment in below in the video with your bid. And what I will do is pin the highest bid every day. Every day I'll check the comments and pin the highest bidder. Now I'm going to leave the auction running until... oh crap, I forgot to look on the calendar. I'll be right back. So I'm going to leave the auction running until Saturday 24th of July, midnight British summertime. And say daily I will update the comments and pin the highest bidder, and so the slide will be sent out to the winner after the 24th of July. And obviously most of my subscribers are from the USA, so obviously just bid in dollars. Anyone else bidding in another currency, I'll just use the currency converter. And good luck to you all. And let's help raise some money for Donald. Thank you all for watching.